Hi, it's Simon Karp here at the Tripleplay booth at ISE 2020. We're showcasing today the Reserva Edge meeting room sign. It's a really simple and elegant solution for meeting rooms in corporate offices or university campuses. Very clean, simple design, optimized for room signage. We have a very clear status indicator at the top, red for occupied and green to show that the room is then available to use. The touchscreen is 10-inch, edge-to-edge glass with an anti-fingerprint coating as well. Lots of design considerations to make it very quick and easy to install and easy to manage. All the cables, connectors are fully concealed and can't be tampered with. It's a very easy to use product, simple user interface. We can very quickly and easily go into the menu here. We'll find a room to use. Here we can see a couple of rooms that are available and the resources available within those rooms. Once we've chosen an appropriate room, we can then go ahead and book that room out. Simply select how long you want to use the room for, hit book, and that room is reserved for you. You can find out more about the product at tripleplay.tv.